Okay, so this is going to be a quick unscripted video. I'll probably make a scripted one later on how to basically integrate your Conda environment into VS Code. The first thing you want to do is like install your Conda, mini Conda, whatever it is, and then create the environment. That's what I did up here. So once you've installed it and everything, um, you want to create it right here. Boom, Conda create like that, and it'll be invisible because it's a hidden folder. You don't have to activate it in this window, but you create it with this script. Okay. Then in VS Code, you hit Control Shift P, open your user settings, and then paste this right here. So python.default interpreter path, and then you want to put in your wherever your Conda mini Conda is stored, python.exe, right? Save that. Then when you reboot VS Code, it will try to and then obviously like select the correct interpreter. But once you open VS Code, having selected the correct interpreter, it'll try to activate it automatically, and it'll probably give you like a execution policy error, and then you can paste this in. Set execution policy bypass scope process to temporarily, or at least for this session, be able to use it, or be able to call external, like execute external shells or execute external processes. And then once that's done, it'll activate. So right now you can see it's activated. Yeah, I thought this was really useful. So